Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel Colorful Crochet, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to crochet the front loops only and the back loops only, or in other words, the FLO and the BLO. Let's get started. I've got my yarn over here, which I've made a little circle to start off, and my hook, I'm using a 3.5mm hook. And so usually when I crochet, I will be putting my hook through these two loops. But in this case, when we do FLO, we are going to put our hook in the first loop only. So what I mean by that is, I'm going to insert my hook into the first loop. See, there are two loops here. And I'm going to insert my hook into the first loop. And I'm going to grab this yarn over here, pull it up, yarn over again, and pull it through. What I'm doing is a single crochet. So here you can see I've created a single crochet through the front loop only, and I'm going to be doing that again. Crochet through the front loop only, bring it through, and yarn over. So basically it's really just that. It's like really easy. And next we'll be jumping into the BLO. Basically the BLO is the same, except we'll be crocheting through the back loops only. So the two loops over here, I'm going to be crocheting through the back one. So put my hook through the back loop. Sorry, not through the two loops as normal. And I'm going to be taking this yarn, pulling it through and yarning over again. And you can see here that I've left the front loop up. And so that's how you do a BLO. That's how you crochet through a front loop only and a back loop only. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again. Bye!